Hello student, yesterday we have discussed the theorems of similarity of triangles and we solved some questions based on the similarity of the triangles. Now today we are going to discuss the properties of similar triangles which are especially related with the areas of the similar triangles. So here there is a theorem and which is very important theorem, the theorem 6.6. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the squares of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So this is the property of similar triangles. Now let us take how we prove this. Proof इसका आपके syllabus में भी है. तो यहाँ पर we take two similar triangles. Suppose triangle ABC and there is another triangle PQR. Now, what is given? Given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay. Now, if triangles are similar, then what property is given? Indirectly, that is, their corresponding angles are equal. Angle A equals to angle P, angle B equals to angle Q, and angle C equals to angle R. Corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in proportion also, and AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR equals to AC upon PR. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in proportion. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that ratio of the areas of two similar triangles, means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equals to the squares of the ratio of their corresponding sides, means AB square upon PQ square or BC square upon QR square or BC square upon QR square और AC square upon PR square. ये आपको प्रूफ करना है. अब एरिया से रिलेटेड थ्योरम हमको प्रूफ करना है. तो व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल? हाफ बेस इनटू हाइट. तो यहाँ पर हम हाइट नॉट गिवन, सो वी ड्रॉ अ परपेंडिकुलर. हम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं? वी ड्रॉ AD perpendicular to BC and PM perpendicular to QR. So here draw AD perpendicular to BC and PM perpendicular to QR. Now since area of triangle is what? Half base into height. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is half. What is the base? In this triangle ABC, BC is the base, so AD becomes height. So half BC into height is AD upon 1 by 2. In triangle PQR, QR is the base, so PM will be the height. So QR into PM. Now half will cancel, so what we have? We write this BC upon QR into AD upon PM. ये जो BC into AD upon QR into PM था, हमने BC upon QR लिखा into AD upon PM लिखा. यहाँ से इसको देखने से हमको ये एक आइडिया मिल रहा है कि यदि AD upon PM in place of AD upon PM, if we get it is equals to PC upon QR, then their product becomes BC square upon QR square. तो हमारा एम क्या है? AD AD upon PM is same as BC upon QR. Means the ratio of corresponding sides equal to the ratio of their altitudes or perpendiculars. So look at here in these two triangles ADB and PMQ. Give it number 1. This is number 1. Now in triangle ADB and triangle PMQ, what we have? Angle D is same as angle M, each is 90 degree. Angle D equals to angle M, each is 90 degree. And angle B equals to angle Q is given. Angle B equals to angle Q is given. So by angle similarity, in these two triangles, if two angles is equal to the two angles, corresponding angles of other triangle, then triangles must be similar. Yesterday we discussed this. So triangle ADB will be similar to triangle PMQ. If these two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. Means AB upon PQ, this gives AB upon PQ is same as AD upon PM. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are in the ratio. Okay. Now what is given? AB upon PQ is same as BC upon QR. Now since AB upon PQ is same as BC upon QR, ये given था, देखिए AB upon PQ is same as BC upon QR. So from these two what we have? We have AD upon PM is same as BC upon QR. Now AD upon PM is BC upon QR. So from one what we have? We have area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is BC upon QR into AD upon PM is replaced by BC upon QR. So this gives BC square upon QR square. Means area of these two similar, ratio of the areas of similar triangle is BC square upon QR square. Now BC upon QR is same as AB upon PQ. So BC square upon QR square will be same as AB square upon PQ square. So here it becomes AB square upon PQ square or AC square upon PR square. क्योंकि ये जो रेशियो है इनका स्क्वायर करेंगे तो ये इक्वल हो जाएंगे और इसको इससे रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं, इसको इससे रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. तो इस तरीके से हमारे पास ये थ्योरम था जो प्रूव हो गया कि रेशियो ऑफ द एरियाज ऑफ टू सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स इज इक्वल टू द रेशियो ऑफ द स्क्वायर्स ऑफ देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स. ओके, तो इस पर बेस्ड हम लोग कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. नाउ वी कम टू द एक्सरसाइज 6.4. Here let triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and their areas be respectively 64 square centimeter and 121 square centimeter. If one side of triangle DEF, that is EF, is 15.4 centimeter, then find BC. So to simplify this, we draw a diagram. If this is triangle ABC and this is triangle DEF. Now here what is given? These two are triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and their areas are given. Also EF is 15.4 centimeter. Now if we look at the similar triangle, so EF is corresponding to BC, means we have to find the corresponding sides of other triangle. So now since areas of two similar triangles is equal to area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF. Ratio of the areas of similar triangle is equal to the squares of the ratio of their corresponding sides. तो यहाँ देखिए BC is, it will be same as BC square upon EF square. Okay? Why? By theorem 6.6 you have to write the statement. आप जब भी ऐसे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे आपको उसका स्टेटमेंट लिखना पड़ेगा, है ना। यहाँ पर ये थ्योरम 6.6 का हमने यहाँ पर यूज किया हुआ है. ओके, नाउ वी पुट द वैल्यू. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीसी इज 64 अपॉन 121 इक्वल्स टू BC square upon 15.4 whole square. Now 64 and 121 are the complete square of the values. So here what we have, BC square upon 15.4 whole square can be written as 64 is 8 square upon 121 is square of 11. So taking square root, what we have? Taking square root we have BC upon 15.4 is 8 upon 11. So this gives BC is 8 upon 11 into 15.4. If you simplify this, 11 ones are, 11 fours are. So this is 112, 11.2 centimeter. That is BC. Okay. So the corresponding side BC is 11.2. In the like this, in this question, if areas is given, we can get the ratio of the or the value of corresponding side. Sometimes the corresponding sides are given and we have to find the ratio of their areas. तो वहां पर ये given होगा, ये given होगा, ये आपको मिल जाएगा. यहाँ पर ये given था तो ये unknown value मिल गई. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे questions आपको मिलेंगे. Now there is another question, question number 5. D, E and F are respectively the midpoints of sides AB, BC and AC of triangle ABC. Find the ratio of the areas of triangle DEF and triangle ABC. Now we make a diagram for this. This is a triangle ABC. And what is given? D, E, F are the midpoints of AB, BC and AC. Means the midpoint of AB is point D, midpoint of BC is E, and midpoint of AC is F. So by joining these midpoints we have a triangle. We have a triangle DEF by joining the midpoints of the sides of triangle ABC. So we have to find the ratio of triangle DEF to area of triangle ABC. So here, if you recall the theorem which you learned in class 9, that in a triangle, line segment joining the midpoints of any two sides is parallel to the third side and it is half of it. ये आपने theorem किया हुआ है. So since line segment joining midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and it is half of it. Means D and F, since D and F are the midpoints of AB and AC. So this gives DF is parallel to BC, this line segment parallel to BC, and DF is half of BC. Okay, DF is half of BC. Now if we transpose BC to here, what we have? We have DF upon BC is 1 by 2. DF upon BC will be 1 by 2. Similarly, D and E are the midpoints of AB and DC. So DE will be parallel to AC and DE is half of AC. Means DE is half of AC. This gives DE upon AC will be half. Okay. And for E and F, EF will be parallel to AB and EF is half of AB. So EF is half of AB. This gives EF upon AB is 1 by 2. Look at these ratios. Now we have what we have? DF upon BC is same as DE upon AC is same as EF upon AB and each is equals to 1 by 2. What we have? We have this ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. In these two triangles DEF and ABC, ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. So by side similarity, triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC. Okay. Now अभी हमने जो थ्योरम किया हुआ है, in similar triangles the ratio of their areas, so area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle ABC will be what? The squares of the ratio of the corresponding sides. So you can write DF square upon BC square, and DF upon BC is what? 1 by 2, its whole square, that is 1 by 4. So ratio of the, so this gives area of triangle DEF, its ratio with area of triangle ABC will be 1:4. So this is the answer. Okay. Now there is another question, question number 7. In this we have to prove that the area of equilateral triangle described on one side of a square is equal to half of the area of equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonal. तो यहाँ पर एक स्क्वायर है. Let us take. Now there is a square. So we draw a square. Suppose this is a square. ABCD is a square, and AC is its diagonal. Okay. Let the side of a square is A. In a square ABCD, its side is A. Okay. Now, because each angle of a square is right angle, so with this diagonal AC, we have a right angle triangle ABC. So what is the length of diagonal? So in triangle ABC, AC square will be, by using Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square, that is A square plus A square, that is 2A square. So AC becomes A into under root 2. So length of diagonal is A under root 2. Now what is given? Area of equilateral triangle described on one side of a square. ये एक साइड के ऊपर जिसका लेंथ A है, इस पर हम एक इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ करें. सपोज BEC, क्योंकि डी हमने ले लिया, BEC, it is an equilateral triangle whose side is A, okay, is equal to half of the area of equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonal. ये diagonal ऐसे, because the diagonals of square are always equal, तो किसी भी इस diagonal के ऊपर हमने एक equilateral triangle describe किया है, draw किया है. तो यहाँ पर AFC is an equilateral triangle described on its diagonal. Means here AC is same as AE, AF and same as FC. So triangle BEC is an equilateral triangle with side A, and AFC, triangle AFC is an equilateral triangle with side A under root 2. Okay, so sides of equilateral triangles are known. As we have discussed in the very first video of triangles, that all equilateral triangles are similar. Why? Because if we take the ratio of their corresponding sides, they are in proportion. Because ये सभी sides equal हैं, ये भी सारे equal हैं, तो इनका जो इसका इसके साथ ratio होगा, वो इसका इसके साथ होगा, वो इसका इसके साथ होगा. तो equilateral triangles, since equilateral triangles are always be similar. So this implies that triangle BEC will be similar to triangle AFC. Now, if triangles are similar, then what is the relation between their areas? The ratio of their areas. So therefore, area of triangle BEC, which is inscribed on a side, to the ratio of the areas of triangle AFC, which is inscribed on its diagonal, is BC square upon AC square. Okay. Now what is BC upon AC? इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, BC upon AC whole square. Now what is BC? BC is a side of equilateral triangle BEC, that is A. And what is AC? AC is the side of equilateral triangle AFC, that is A under root 2. So there is square. A will cancel. So what we have? 1 by under root 2 whole square, that is 1 by 2. So area of triangle BEC is half of the area of triangle AFC. Now in words you can write area of triangle BEC is what? Area of equilateral triangle inscribed on a side of a square is equal to half of the area of triangle AFC is what? Area of equilateral triangle inscribed on its diagonal. Okay, so you can write in words, which is the same as this one. Hence it is proved. So in this chapter we solved some questions based on the area of similar triangles. Okay, sometimes ratio is given, ratio of sides are given, we can get the ratio of the areas. कई बार ऐसा भी है कि मान लीजिए जो areas, the ratio of the areas of similar triangle are equal. Then what happened? If this ratio is, these areas are equal, so what happened? Their ratio becomes 1, means BC equals to AC, means it becomes an equilateral triangle. तो इस तरीके से ऐसे और भी क्वेश्चंस हैं एक्सरसाइज में जो आप करके देखेंगे, which is based on the areas of similar triangles. Okay.